Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're talking about how to use cash on delivery on Temu in 2025, but if it's not working, let us fix it. So it's tricky on Temu and I've got the latest fixes to get you sorted. First guys, confirm COD's even an option. Temu only offers cash on delivery in select spots, think parts of India, the Philippines or the UAE, and it's not everywhere in 2025. Open the Temu app, toss some items in your cart, and hit checkout. If COD is not listed under payment options and methods, your area's out of luck. Exposed say it's hit or miss, even in supported zones, like Manila might work, but Cebu doesn't. Check Temu's help page for your country. Step number 2 is nail the basics. COD usually needs a card under $50 or local currency equivalent. Big orders get blocked. Make sure your shipping address is in a COD zone and your phone number is verified in the app. No verification, no dice. I tested this with a $10 order in a supported region, and COD popped up only after I fixed my profile. Clear your cart and retry with a small haul if it's still blank. Now, squash any glitches. If COD should show but doesn't, update your Temu app from your store. Guys, last resort. Hit the headset icon in the app and tap Contact Us and type COD not working to the chatbot. They might flip it on if it's a bug. And that's how you fix Temu's cash on recovery woes, check availability, meet the rules, debug the app, or ping support. Guys, drop your fix below, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.